Alright, so here I am again working on my 2002 Ford Ranger. What happened was when I was driving back this truck that my daughter uses in college, which is several hours from here, basically the car was overheating, having problems. That was fun getting it back, so I fixed that problem. And now I have to fix the camber situation. So when I was driving it back, the car was pushing to the right. I took it over, had it aligned, and of course they did the alignment job, then came back and said, oh, the car does not meet the manufacturer specifications. So I wish they would have told me, so I was forced to basically pay for multiple realignments. They wanted like about $125 to fix the camber situation, and especially when you get the parts for $30, I decided to do it myself. So what this is these camber bolts replace the control arms, the standard bolts that are already on the control arms, and you need one box per side. And there we go. So you have one on each side, basically. Take the old ones off, put the new ones on. The part number for this, and this applies to 2002 to 2008, from Duralast, which I bought it from AutoZone, which is VV13308A, alpha that is. So VV13308A. This is about a $30 kit. This is for 2 degrees. I would not recommend buying the 1 degree kit. It's completely pointless. The chance of you needing to do more work than that is pretty great. So to do this, it's actually quite simple. If you do one control arm at a time, you actually don't have to support the lower control arm. I may end up doing it anyways, depending on how much this drops. But it's quite easy to do. It's not as easy as, say, a car, where you just do the shock tower. But I'll film it as I'm going. Usually you don't have to remove the complete interwell shield there, but I may have to, depending on how tight it is and if the bolts are really on there tight. So again, this applies to 2002 to 2008. It's $30 per side, and this allows between 2 and 3 degrees of change. So they said it was 1.78 off, so that should put me right there. Might be a little close, but it'll be a lot better than what it was.